Eric with your McKenna Minute. Today I'm going to walk you through where to find the Photoshop templates and how to use one of them. Okay, so please navigate to McKennaPro.com. Under Resources, click on Downloads, and you can find our product guide here, our calibration sample print, our Photoshop base templates, as well as our Photoshop designer templates ranging from graduation to holiday cards. So let's just simulate what it looks like to download a calendar template, and we'll open that in Photoshop. So it's the one on the bottom right. With the cover image, you'll see the punch hole is on the bottom. With the inner images, you'll see the punch hole on the top. These are just layers you can turn off after you drag your images in. Okay, just drag your images into the template and resize if needed. Take note of the red rectangle around the inner perimeter, and that is the safe zone for your image. So we can just rename these files as layers because we're going to export the layers as files. Now you don't have to do this, I just find it's easier. So let's double check the image size. So the good thing about downloading our templates is it's sized perfectly at 300 pixels per inch. Double check the color, go to convert to profile, and it's in sRGB. Okay, so now to simulate the export from layers to files, then go to File, Export, Layers to Files. And then from there, we can export all of our layers as files. Now, again, you don't have to do it this way. You can literally just say save as each individual one, but I find this is much faster. So if you select where it's exporting to, click on just the visible layers, it'll go through the process, say okay, and then you can check the Explorer and they will all have those names that you named those layers. And that is your McKenna Minute.